Today I'm at the Royal Botanic Gardens, Belfast, to see this, the Palm House. It's a big greenhouse, and I'm excited. Quick check of the opening hours, 10 to 4, and two other things that are important to me. No smoking and breastfeeding welcome here. Okay, let's get in. And this new feature allows you to see my reaction to the plants. Lots of plants, and their names are amusing too. Poor man's rhododendron, dwarf tamarillo, and a pregnant onion. Where do they think of the names? But they don't just sound funny, they look funny too. Like this thing. Madam. Even bigger ones there. And it's therefore not surprising with this sort of display that the name of the man who invented this place is Dick Turner. Lots of cactus, lots of leaves, lots of pots, you get the idea. And they're also very green around here in terms of their policies. Keep the doors closed and don't chase birds, you'll likely stress them out. That's good to know. And apparently this happens to anyone who stays in here too long. Okay, well, time to go, but before we do, here's my favourite plant of the day. Don't know what it's called, but let's just say it's Pincus Pisceus. All right, fabulous trip to the Botanic Gardens and the Palm House. Much recommended. Thumbs up from PC.